If you're seeing the AnyDesk countdown and you want to remove it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to clear the local configuration file that can trigger that countdown behavior on your Windows computer. This is a quick fix, and it only takes a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to make sure AnyDesk is completely closed. Look down near the clock on your taskbar and find the AnyDesk icon in the system tray. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once you find the AnyDesk icon, right-click it and choose Quit. This is important because the program needs to be fully closed before we make any changes. After clicking Quit, wait a few seconds so Windows has enough time to shut it down completely. Next, we're going to open the AnyDesk data folder. On your keyboard, press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. In the box that appears, type %program data, %\AnyDesk. Make sure you type it exactly as shown, then press Enter. This will take you directly to the folder where AnyDesk stores its local files on your computer. Inside this folder, look for a file named Service.Conf. This is the configuration file we need to remove. It contains local settings for AnyDesk, and in some cases, deleting it can help clear the countdown issue. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct file before deleting anything. Once you've found Service.Conf, right-click the file and choose Delete. If Windows asks you to confirm, click Yes or confirm the deletion. This removes the local configuration file from your system. Don't worry, this is the key step that helps reset the affected settings. After that, we're going to restart AnyDesk. Open the app again like you normally would and let it load all the way. Give it a few moments to start up fully. In many cases, this refreshes the local settings and removes the countdown behavior. If the countdown is still showing after restarting, you may need to double-check that AnyDesk was fully closed before deleting the file and that Service.Conf was removed from the correct folder. Sometimes a simple restart of your computer can also help make sure the change takes effect properly. And that's it. You've now followed the basic steps to remove the AnyDesk countdown by closing the app, deleting the local configuration file, and reopening the program. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another AnyDesk issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.